welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as mentioned in my previous video, I have been MIA for a while and I am back with dreads. Also, I've been working a full-time job and doing school part-time. That is why I've been so busy and I'm slacking off on my posting. The last video that I posted was not so instructional, but it was pretty straightforward. I had some bad reviews from some of my viewers. I want to do better with my channel, and instead of improving, I think that I'm falling off, but I hope I get better at this. I'm trying to juggle everything and I really appreciate you guys' feedback. I do hope you could take away at least something from that video. So without further ado, I just want to show you how I did a mini room makeover for my sister's bedroom. Please remember, guys, that I'm not a professional, nor do I claim to be. I just did this for my sister and I'm sure she's happy with the results. I wanted to share with you guys that you don't need tons of cash to make major changes to your space. So this is a preview of what the room looks like before the transformation. Looks a little unorganized and it never really have any buzz, so we're gonna work on making it more buzzable. As you can see, she has stickers on her walls, 2 beds that she does not really need, and there were no specific flow or eye-catching appeal to the bedroom, so we are about to change that. Remember that bed head that we made in the last video? We are going to be using that to jazz up this space, and in case you missed our last video, I've inserted a short clip in here for you to see how we did that. So keep watching, or if you like, you can go back and watch our previous video on how to get this done. So the first thing we did was make some new holes to put up some sturdy curtain rods, and also I wanted to hang them a little higher. So as you can see, this clipping, the curtain rod is up, but unfortunately I lost the clip putting them in place. We then moved out everything we did not want out of the room and moved in everything that we needed inside the bedroom. We also went ahead and rearranged the space how we wanted it. And the reason why that we did not completely clear out the bedroom is because we literally would have to find a way how to get everything down the stairs. I must also say big up to my little helpers for always helping me out. Thank you guys. After setting everything how we wanted it, I went ahead and hung her wall art and other things that she wanted to decorate her wall with. We kept it quite minimal because we didn't want it to appear cluster or crowded. This is concrete that I'm drilling, and this is how I do it. I don't know if it is the correct way, but it's my way. I drill the concrete, then I use a piece of chipboard and just hammer it in place. Then I just screw with my screw gun and some screws in the hole, and this makes it nice and snug. The next day, we basically got her sheets and some curtains that would most likely suit her taste or create a better match for everything that she has. So I put those up and just add the little small touches to make her space cute and more appealing. You do not have to watch how elongated the feet of this headboard is, because in the future we are going to add more boards to the bottom of the headboard. I went ahead and add my small touches, and you can already see the difference in the bedroom. Like, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I already like it. What about you? Go ahead and leave a comment in the meantime before this video ends. I literally was being extra right here. So I just tie a piece of cloth around her, present a sock. You know, I wanted to make it a little more appealing because it wasn't cutting it. So I just put a piece of cloth around it and just tie it. I actually didn't staple it or anything. So in case she want to remove it in the future, she can go ahead and do that. Yes, and did you remember those stickers on the wall? I removed all of them, and here I am just using some clothespin, and yes, real clothespin, and I'm just pasting them on the wall. She can use it to put up like papers that she need to look at or any notice that she has. Nothing too heavy, just something for her to see at the moment, in the moment. And yeah, this is the final thing that I'm inserting, a little chandelier that I DIY. If you want to see how I got that done, I will do a video, not a long video, it's very short, so I'll show you how I got that done. And then what I did was I just hot glued it to the ceiling, so it's very temporary. She can move it if she want. And just a clipping to remind you of how the bedroom was looking before. Unorganized, stickers on the wall, clothes are showing in the closet, 2 beds in the room, and we are about to change that. And this is how it's looking now. I really like it so much, more than how it was before, and I am really impressed. Actually, these are all temporary fix because she will of course upgrade her furniture in the future. And on the opposite side of the room, there was not much being done because I just placed curtains to hide her mess in the closet. So just to give you a breakdown, we basically only spent 6,000 Jamaican dollars, or probably 50 US dollars, on the headboard, and that includes screws and wood. So basically that's about it for spending. Her sheets, wall pieces, and curtains were gifted items that she got for her birthday or for Christmas, and her lighting fixture was DIY. So yes, as I said before, all our furniture pieces, you may see that they are different colors, but over time those are gonna be changed out. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you liked my sister's space and you did enjoy my video. I also wanted to let you guys know that I want to do other stuff to entertain you all on my channel. Therefore, I am open to ideas from you. So you can go ahead and drop those ideas below, or you can DM me on my Instagram. Don't forget to like this video, guys, because it really helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much again, and peace out.
I'm just trying to get to you, like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you, like I need you now.